Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create editable icon in Microsoft PowerPoint. With this simple technique you can easily create custom icon for your presentations, website or any other project that requires icon. Here I already opened PowerPoint and this is the blank one. So before that I'm gonna take out all of the text box. So select both of them and use the keyboard delete, and now you can see this is the blank one, or there is the option. So how can you do that? Just right click and here is say the layout and you can use the blank one. So when I click with the blank one, now you can see this is the blank slide. So here I'm going to show you how to make a editable icon for your presentation. So before that, what I'm gonna use, insert tab in the text group. There's also the text box. Hit on the text box and make a text box here. Now you can see nothing is there. So then I'm gonna use again insert, and from the insert there's symbols group, symbol equation group. So from there I'm using symbol, and here you can see the font style is Wingdings. From here you can use the symbol from them, or you can use the like Webdings or different. Mainly I'm using Webding and Wingdings for my icon to make. So for now I'm doing the Webdings, and here you can see there is the many symbol of them from the font. So let's see from the Wingdings or Wingdings 2. Here you can see, and also you can use the Wingdings 3, whatever you want, but for now I'm using Wingding 2 in here. Now I'm using this one and hit on the insert. Let's see, then close. Now you can see this is the one symbol, but this is the inside of the text box. So what I'm gonna do, want to do it increase the text. So go to the home tab and there is the font size. Just hit on there and use the key of the font size. So for now I'm like, if I say the 60, now you can see this is the 60 sizes font. When I hit on here, now you can see this is the font size is 60. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to again to the insert bar, and from insert tab there is also the illustrations group, and there I hit on the shapes, and from the shape I'm using the rectangle, then draw down over the symbol, then select both of them, go to the shape format, and here in the shape format you can see in the insert shape there are also the merge shapes. Merge the selected shape into one or more new geometric shapes. So click on there, then use the intersect. So when I click on the here, now you can see this can be changeable. Now in the shape format, here is the shape fill. So I'm gonna use the shape fill like whatever I want for the different color for my presentations. It's better to compare with your slide design. So the background design for your presentations, you need to compare with your design or theme. So for now, like if I say this one, now you can see the background, then you can just resize it. For now I'm just doing with the shift. Now you can see, then click on what there, go to again shape format. In shape format you can also take out the shape outline, whatever you want. If you want to take out the outline, so you can see like this, and also you can use the white for the different. So you can see now it's changing. Just I'm using now for simple the one, then I can use shape fill with the different color. Hit on there, and there is also about the gradients, I drop or more color fill. So if I hit on the more fit colors here, now you can see there is the custom color. I can just customize the color and hit on the OK. Now you can see this is the change one. You can see the shape style from the shape style, like when you hit on the shape style, so it's come like this, and click on that, so it drop out the some style, so whatever you like shoot for your presentations. Okay, now let me choose one of from them. Okay, for now I just choose the one. Then what I'm gonna do, go to again the insert and use the shape. From the shape but I use the oval, it's the circle one, and hold over to the icon and use is now change, resize it, then take it to the back, click on the right click and send to back. Now you can see here, and what I'm gonna do, change the shape fill, or now you can see, and also you can use the shape fill of circle here, whatever you want. Okay, for now you can see this is the one kind of icon. So here now it's very easy to create a editable icon for your presentation. Then so what are you gonna do, just select both of them and do with the shape format, and from the shape format just click on over the group so it can be now easily moved. Okay, so then what I'm gonna do, click over there and go to the shape effect, and you can use your icon as a 3D or the different, so whatever you want for your presentation, or you can shadow your icon here. It's very simple, just click over there and you can see now it's changing. Okay, it's better to move inside, go to again here, now you can see it's now changing. Okay, and also you can use 3D rotations, also glow. Just select off from them as a icon, just take it to where do you want to use as a icon and resize it, then it will come up as a icon. So it is very easy way to do. You can also create icon with the insert form, like if I click on the insert tab and go to the shape, and if I use the rectangle, then let's see, click on that, then move it a little bit down and go to again insert and go to the shape and click on the triangle. Let's see, I'm going to make icon, just resize it, take over here this kind of the houses, then go to again shapes and line, or I can use the different one, like if I see the rectangle one as a dot, and use the change outline, so from here so it can be highlight here. Now you can see this is the outline. Go to again insert, from the shape use line here, then go to the shape again, change the shape outline color so it can be highlight, then select this one and use the shape format, use the no outline, and also same as you can do with the another, or you can use the no outline. Now you can see, then what can you do, you can also the same as just click on shapes and use the and change the shape outline, or you can use the one, let's see how it's come like this. Then what can you do, just select all of them and do it as the shape format, the group. Now it can be movable, and then what can you do, you can just change the shape file and it will come up like this as editable icon. This is the one kind of icon. Then you can just more customize this, go to again the insert and go to shape, use also the circle. Let's see how it will come, and take it to back here and just resize it. now you can see, and you can use the different shape fill so it can be highlight, or you can, okay, for now I'm using, and I can just resize it, decrease, just resize it, and customize it with your color, whatever you want for your presentation. So what you can do, just select both of them, then do with the group here. Now it can be moved at the same time. Then you can use the shape form or the different style, like if you want to shape effect with the different style, or shadow if you want to use the shadow. Okay, let's see. Before that, I want to take it to the side, go to the shape and use the shadow, whatever you want, and you can use the bevel, whatever you want. Then it can be appealing visual to your presentation. Okay, now you can see there is the two kind of editable icon. Just you can click on that and you can edit very easily and very fast for your presentation. And that's how you create an editable icon in Microsoft PowerPoint. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.